Well, it's another lovely day. It's now April, spring has sprung. Got a few jobs to do on the allotment today. Let's go and have a look. A few jobs to get underway today. Got some broad beans to plant. Heritage variety called Clark's Classic from the Heritage Seed Library. You have to forgive the slight sun glare because it's an absolutely beautiful day down here on the allotment. Nice and quiet though. Not very many people. Next job after that, we're putting out some peas. We've got an Oregon sugar pod, a Monge 2 variety that we'll get in just behind me here. Just see the pea supports maybe just over that ear hole. And then after that, we've got the final row of onion sets to get in. So a couple of jobs today at the allotment, nice and quick. But things are really starting to grow now. The weather's improved. Got some great growing conditions. I think the committee might be having a meeting down there. Ooh, I think you're quiet. Shh, recording in process. But otherwise, we'll see you later. In a sec. So we'll clear this bed out today. This is the brassica bed. We've got the protection supports up and the pitch ready to go over. Nearly cleared out the composting in place experiment. That's the bed we cleared the other day. Look how clear that is. Also got the broad beans here. And today's job is giving the garlic and onion patch a bit of a weed, and we'll get those onion sets in, final row. They can get in there. We'll give it a bit of a fertiliser, a bit of woodfish and bone. As you can see, the elephant garlic coming up really well. It's doing nicely there, the elephant garlic. And another row of garlic there. So that's the green garlic there. Give that a quick weed. Quick row of beetroot down there. The supports up for some peas, which we've got over here. We'll get these planted in now quickly. And then get these planted in quickly and get some netting up. These are a Oregon sugar pod. So that'll be Monge 2. We'll actually probably put those up those wigwams actually. There's not a great deal. We've got some Blauschocker and some what's it called? Freuer Heinrich pea, a heritage variety which will put up these taller supports either side of those wigwams. Today's job, getting get some peas in and a final row of onions. Now down here, we've got a few failed garlic. So what I'm going to do is, obviously because there's, as I said, this part, yeah, they've rotted. Because I said, yeah, they're no good. They're green. They're not in a good way. So what I'll do is I'll interplant some of these heritage heritage broad bean called Clark's Classic from the Heritage Seed Library. We'll get those. Yeah, that's not going to do anything. That's not going to do anything. We'll get rid of those. So here we'll have a, it's not very nice either, we'll have a few of the heritage broad beans, only I think 5 or 6 plants. Again, just before the roots really get going. Whoa, that's quite the taproot. Nice quick job. Get a few of these in. well, quite the root system. They're not too pot bound. I mean, the roots come out quite easily, so I'm hoping that that's not a problem. Clark's Classic. Can I get another one in? Can I get two in? Maybe, maybe not. Any other spaces? Struggling to see any. Suppose if we're going for green garlic, I might interplant there. These garlic might come out before. I don't think they're going to be taking a lot of competition between each other. So there we go. See how they do. But again, started at home in these little pots, and hopefully, fingers crossed. Well, if you're liking what you've seen so far today, we're grateful if you give the video a thumbs up. That helps with the algorithm. If you're not subscribed to the channel, then press the subscribe button below and make sure you press that bell. If you've got any comments or suggestions, then type away below and I'll answer where I can. See you later. This pea is Oregon Sugar Pod, and there's just some broad beans over that side. So get a few of these in. Don't know quite how many we've got actually, but you can see possibly the roots going in nicely. I have tried root trainers before, and I've got to say they are a little bit difficult to get into the soil, to get into the cells. I find them really tricky. So unless you've got any suggestions, I've tried for how you might fill those deep root cell trays better than I was thinking. That these little pots, which were dead cheap at, I think, Home Bargains or something maybe, were an absolute steal. About £3-4. Whereas at some of the bigger garden centres they were pushing on for £10. It's quite a large, long tray with actually the ones in Home Bargains had an actual water tray to go with them, which I thought was a really good value. There we go. Just dip a few more on that side. A few not come up. Take those back to the house maybe, and I think they have germinated because there are roots coming out from underneath them. But really tried Monge 2 variety peas at the allotment before, so looking forward to trying these. try and put another one there maybe. Yeah, they've come up really strong. Probably able to see that from over there. They come out well from the pots. So that's, I think, I'll give them a cover over there. Maybe a spot for one more there. Get the label. Oregon Sugar Pod. Looking forward to those. Just a little dib. We're going sort of in a crosshatch, so alternate spacing between the next row. Hope we get some good onions this year. That bed back there had quite a lot of white rot, so that garlic is a bit of a, what's the word, suck it and see. Give it a bit of a trial. It might not make very good bulbing garlic, but we'll make some green garlic, I think. Right, and we'll get these in. It's going to be a mixed row. I don't think all these will take. Some of them don't look very positive. But these plugs are, these plugs are a good size just to get them started off at home. Well, that's a rotten one, that one. I didn't put that in place. Yeah, they've taken root. I think we're good to go. If there's no shoots on them at this stage, we'll discard them. So half a row of red, and then we'll have half a row of white. Oh, he's a chunky boy. But the onions from seed did not work at all well this year. So the sets have been absolutely invaluable. Good insurance for a poor germination rate on the onion seed. But there you go, another row quickly done. Well, thanks for watching today on Beans, Brews and Bread. Loads of jobs to be done in the allotment at home. Did a brew day yesterday, but didn't catch any footage. But might do a tasting video or show it getting packaged up into some kegs. That might be interesting. But thanks for coming along today on the allotment. I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.